Hi students, I am Praveen Sebastian Paul. In this lecture, we are discussing the RC phase shift oscillator. So, dear students, a phase shift oscillator can be defined as it is one kind of linear oscillator which is used to generate a sine wave output, and it comprises of an inverting amplifier component like operational amplifier, otherwise a transistor. The output of this amplifier can be given as the input with the help of a phase shifting network. This network can be built with resistors as well as capacitors in the form of a ladder network. The phase of amplifier can be shifted to 180 at the oscillation frequency by using a feedback network to provide a positive response. These type of oscillators are frequently used as audio oscillator or audio frequency. Now we are going to discuss what is a RC phase shift oscillator. The RC phase shift circuit can be built with a resistor as well as a capacitor, and this circuit offers the required phase shift with a feedback signal. They have outstanding frequency strength and can give a clean sine wave of extensive range of loads. Preferably, the EC-RC network can be expected to include an output which directs the input with 90 degree. But in reality, the phase verification can be below this because the capacitor employed within the circuit cannot be perfect. The implementation and working of RC phase shift oscillator can be done using three methods, namely RC phase shift oscillator using op-amp, RC phase shift oscillator using BJT, and RC phase shift oscillator using FET. The following RC phase shift oscillator circuit using BJT can be built by cascading three RC phase shift networks. Each provides a 60-degree phase shift. In the circuit, the RC, which is known as the oscillator resistor, stop transistor collector current. The resistor, which is near to the transistor like R1 and R2, can form the voltage divider circuit as RE develop the strength. After that, the two capacitors, namely CO and CE, where CO is the output DC decoupling capacitor and CE is the emitter bypass capacitor correspondingly, and further this circuit also determines three RC network used within the feedback path. This connection will cause the output waveform to move with 180 degree throughout its journey from output terminal towards the transistor's base terminal. After that, this signal can be moved once more with 180 degree with the help of a transistor within the network because of the truth that the phase disparity among the output as well as the output can be 180 degree in the common emitter configuration. This will create the network phase of disparity of 360 degree and satisfies the phase disparity condition. There is another method to satisfy the state of phase disparity is by using 4 RC network, each provide 45 degree phase shift. Therefore, the RC phase shift oscillator is designed in different way because the number of RC network within them is unbalanced, but by enhancing the number of stage will increase the circuit's frequency strength. It also unfavorably influences the oscillator's output frequency because of the loading effect. So now we are discussing the frequency of the RC phase shift oscillator. Oscillator frequency F is equal to root of N divided by 2 pi RC, where R is resistance, C is capacitance, and N is the number of RC networks. So the different advantages of this RC phase shift oscillators include the oscillator circuit designed is easy with the basic components like resistors as well as capacitors, and this circuit is not expensive and gives excellent frequency stability. These are mainly suitable for low frequencies, and this circuit is simpler compared with Wayne bridge oscillator because it doesn't require the stabilization planning and negative feedback, and the circuit output is sinusoidal, that is somewhat distortion free, and the frequency range of this circuit will range from few hertz to hundred of kilohertz. The disadvantages of RC phase shift oscillators include the output of the circuit is small because of the smaller feedback, and it requires 12-volt battery for developing a suitably huge feedback voltage. It is hard for the circuit to create oscillations because of small feedbacks. The frequency stability of the circuit not good to compare with Wayne bridge oscillator. The different applications of the circuits are: this phase shift oscillators is used to generate the signals over an extensive range of frequency, and they are used in musical instruments, GPS units, and voice synthesis devices. And now we can conclude that the oscillators are mainly used to generate signals in a wide range, and the range of frequency can be changed from 1 Hz to 200 Hz by using resistor as well as capacitor in the circuit. So dear students, hope you had understood this topic. So dear students, kindly write down the assignment question. And the question is, write notes on RC phase shift oscillator. So dear students, see you soon in the upcoming lecture. We will discuss stable multi-vibrator or triple fight timer. So dear students, see you soon. Until then, goodbye, thank you, and all the best.